stick around. I've got 5 things that you can check, and most of them don't require any tools. Number 1. Okay, so the biggest, easiest issue here that people have, they don't actually have fuel in the tank. So a lot of generators have a cap here. They've got an E for empty and an F for full. Don't assume that that indicator is actually working, because sometimes it's not. Easiest thing to do, just take your cap off, verify you've got a liquid level inside. I like to actually get down below this screen here. The screen comes out and you can take a look inside and just verify that you've got an ample liquid level inside. Number 2, second biggest problem here is your vent cap is actually closed or off. What you want to do is turn that vent so that it indicates to the on position. Just a quick note that your vent cap could be at fault if your generator is running for, say, about 15 minutes before it actually shuts off. So it's another good indicator that you forgot your vent closed. Number 3. Next on the list at number 3, you could maybe have your generator not level enough. And what's actually happening is there's a sensor inside here that tells the machine that the oil level is too low. So make sure that you have your machine on a level surface so it will keep running. And like I said, mostly you can do all this without tools, but you might actually need a couple of tools for getting into check your oil level. You can see the line is just about to the top here. You can check inside and actually visually see that there's oil present right there at the top, so that is good. Now if you found that you had insufficient oil level, that can definitely be holding you out. So make sure that you top up your oil to the specified mark on the dipstick. Just a quick note here, I wanted to say thanks to my first 500 subscribers. It's pretty exciting for me as a new channel. The next goal is to get to 1,000, and I'm hoping that you find some benefit in these videos, that you're willing to click that subscribe as well and become part of the team here. Number 4. Number 4 is probably not likely, but definitely something you want to check. Your generators have been packed away for all winter, and things happen through the winter that we don't anticipate, right? So you could have mice building nests in these nice little spots here, and everything in this generator should be free of any debris, because it moves a lot of air, and that air is what helps keep everything running cool in here. So make sure we don't have any debris inside our inverter chassis. And number 5. Your generator might actually just be overheating. If you stack anything up against it, you know, maybe it's got something, you need to make sure that these vents are nice and clear, right? Especially on hot days, because it needs to have the flow of air going in and out of that generator to keep it cool. If you're running into a very hot summery time and you think that it's overheating, I would probably take a cover off if it was safe to do so, and operate it with one cover off just to get more fresh air in there. And I'm hoping one of these 5 tips got you back on your way. Let me know in the comments exactly what one helped you today. Maybe you got a different antidote for some of those common things out there, and I'd love to hear about them right there in the comments. Let's have a discussion about them. If you got something of benefit here, click that like and subscribe button here, and hey, we'll see you at the next Fix It.